So this is a haul that I've received for Christmas from my wife. What we have is some small items from Flytanium. They sell knives and stuff like that. There's no knives here. We can't afford that sort of thing, so she's just got me some small items that were on sale. I think it was 35% off or something at Black Friday. It was something like that. It was a good deal. Yeah, and also she's got me another wallet, but this one's got Velcro and it's an alpaca Zip Pro pouch. I'll just show you that for starters. Now this is an alpaca Zip Pro. It's got two little pouches on that side, like a hook and loop. This is the soft side. There, it's got a pocket there. I only know this because my current wallet is this without the Velcro, and its inside looks the same. It's got a divider, which you can divide your cards, the ones you regularly use, ones you don't, or all your cash that you got, because you've got so much. You can fill it up, but I don't know if this will be thick enough for all my cash. Yeah, there's no way that'll close on my cash. Just joking, Olish. Anyway, so what I wanted to do is to see if what fits on the pouch and what not. So first of all, we got this must have been a freebie because not really into patches. I'm just not a colourful person, I guess you could say, but we can try. And it says Flytanium. There we go. Yep, sticks well. So that's good, we'll keep that there. Then next, what's she got here? I reckon this is going to be the... Oh, I'm really shit at opening stuff like this with the Ziploc bag, so be patient with me please. So we have... Oh, look at these. These are titanium. Titanium split rings. So a big one, medium and small. Big. Small. Medium. Put them on up to that camera. There we go. They're very nice. They feel very nice. I like them. Good job, Flytanium. I'll put that over here. Oh, this looks like some sort of carabiner. Do you reckon I could open it carefully? I don't reckon I can open it at all. Yep, got it. It's just one of my abilities of not being able to do things. Is opening these Ziploc bags. Not very good. Okay, so looks like it's titanium. It's very light, and the brass clip. Are we recording there? Yeah, it's a titanium. Yeah, I like that. I like the square bottom, round top. Nice. Next. Ooh. Now this is what I wanted to see if it checks, if it fits. It's a nice pen. I'm not sure if this is stainless or titanium, it feels... Oh, look at that. I really like this. It's one reason I really like this. I do like rollerball pens, but ballpoints are pretty good. And it's got a Bic. Well, I think it's a Bic. Let's try it. Yep, it's got a Bic in refill. Great. Nice and simple, easy. I like these ones. I use Bic ballpoint pens a fair bit. So, it's pretty comfy in the hand. Here's a bit of paper. We just put on paper. Oh well, that was a bit of a dumb move on my behalf. So I like how it screws onto the lid. I like that because then I won't lose it. And it's a screw-on lid there. That's great. Okay, we've got that. Packaging. Next, flashlight. Now, she got me 3 of these, exactly the same, which I'm very happy about because you can't have enough flashlights, and it's great to put them. Oh, it's even got a battery. Look at that. Okay, so it's not a rechargeable battery. It's just a plain energizer. I'm not sure if you can get batteries with AAA anyway with the USB cable charge. It'd be good if you could. But yeah, so this is, I think it's called gunmetal. Let's have a look. Lightning bug flashlight. Very nice. It's aluminium, it's not titanium. Flytanium is a bit deceiving, the word, but anyway, still alright. It's got an O-ring. Keep water from getting out. That falls straight in, and it works. Okay, I'm so sorry from the bottom of my heart, Flytanium. That was bottom of my heart, top of my heart. I don't know. But it works. Check it out. Check it out. It works. Check it out. It's actually fairly bright. It's got different modes. Oh, you look at that. Little moonlight mode. Oh, wow. Geez, you can just touch it. So it looks like there's 2 modes. High, moonlight. Yeah, don't give me the, don't know the specs, so yeah, but look at the size of it. It's pretty good. I've got an O light. What have we got here? I think it's an i5. No, it's an i3. Sometimes I just can't see. And yes, it's an i3. i3T EOS O-light. Well, they're identical lengths. Pretty much identical. Roundness, both sides. The clips do look different. They're on different ways. I don't know if you can see that. Clips go different ways. You can change that, I think, anyway. That's gloss, that's matte. I do like the Flytanium one pretty good. Flytanium one is definitely lighter, 100%. There is no doubt about that. Okay, so put that back over here. Have a drink. Next, what is Flytanium throwing our way? Or my wife throwing our way? She's not listening, I hope. Can't tell her. I just can't tell her about this one. What? What? No, nothing. What have we got here? I don't even know. Come on, come out. Ooh. That's pretty stunning. It's a pry bar. Feels like a stainless. That's interesting. That'd be pretty strong. Huh. I didn't expect that. I really didn't expect that. That is actually nice. I like that. I use pry bars a lot. Sorry for talking into that camera. I use pry bars a lot, and I have an appreciation for them. What have we got in here? I think I saw 3 things. Nope. Oh, there's a card in there. Oh, there's O-rings and everything in here. What have we got in here? It's in a packet. Another Ziploc bag. What the hell is this? It's not a miniature pen, is it? I think it is. It's got a lot of O-rings in that. I'll just put them in the bottom because I will definitely lose all them. These are the ones I really slow out. I got it. Look at the size of this. No way. Oh, it's a bolt action pen. Check it out. Check it out. Wow. That is... Have a look at the size of that. Was it as long as my finger? Nah. Look at that. It's incredible. And it's a bolt action. That's nice. More setup. Here we go. And it's got some refills and some O-rings just in case you total it. Which I need. I'll put that with that over there so I don't lose it. One more. Here we go. Oh, looks like another carabiner. It's the same one. Same one as the other one. Very nice. I have to admit. Very nice carabiner. So that's the haul. Whew. Okay, so now let's have a look at this. This would be my new one. Oh, no, I forgot something. Oh, hold the horses. So this here, I bought for myself. It wasn't very much, it was like $10 or something. Now, apparently it advertised on their country of origin, Australia, but I can't find it where it's made anywhere stamped on here. It's got an Australian standard written on it. But it's a long spanner, 10mm one end, 8mm one end. What I want to do is chop it near the middle, make the side a bit smaller, and I'm going to make a pry bar on each end because there's no way. Oh, it's pretty strong. Yeah, so then I've got an 8 and a 10 spanner in my wallet with pry bars on the end of them. So I'm thinking of doing that. I'm not sure yet, but let's see how let's see how it fits first. So yeah, it'll definitely fit halfway. Goes in well. Where was the flashlight fit? Flashlight, torch, whatever you want to call it. It's none of my business. You can call it whatever you want. You're in your own home, I think, and you can call it whatever you want. Well, that might have to go there. Oh, gee, that fits snug. Look at that. It even goes over that little patch. It's colourful. Okay, so what can we fit on this side? How's the pen? Oh, the pen's too tall. And that's threaded both sides. I can't even cut it. I mean, yeah, I can't cut anything for the best of my life, but having a thread on it, there's no way known. Well, I'm a little bit disappointed that doesn't fit, but this one will fit. But I can tell you now, I will lose that sucker. I mean, where can I put that? It's buried. I think I might go minimal and just put this in the zipper with a notepad. The little wallet, Write in the Rain notepads are pretty good. Fit in there. I'm not sure. Oh, I tell you what, it's pretty weighty. That's nice. And then I need a. That's a beautiful carabiner for that. Look at that. It's got the square. Geez, that fits perfect. Look at that. That's really nice. That'll go well. I have a cord running off my wallets because I can never find them. These have changed too since the last wallet. The knots. Huh, that's interesting. They used to have these little like faux leather tabs on it. Now they've got knots. Interesting. Okay, so they've changed it up and made some improvements. Well, that's everything. Split rings for the keys, that's pretty good. Yeah. So I hope you liked the Flytanium, what's it called? Flytanium Haul. Wasn't much of a haul because we can't afford much more than that, so yeah. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.